Okay, we have something new in this problem. We still have an amplitude. Remember, the amplitude is the absolute value of that number. So the amplitude is 2. The period is 2 pi over this number. So my period is 2 pi over a half, which is going to give me 4 pi, multiplied by the reciprocal. So we'll come over here to 4 pi. And we'll go cut it in half. So that's got to be 3. It does have a shift of down 1 unit. I'm going to take care of something else first. This number here was negative. That means it's going to reflect. So instead of starting at 2 and coming down and following this way, I'm going to start at -2, and I'm going to make my cosine curve upside down. Now, I've been just putting X's on these. For some reason, I used dots this time. All right? So there it is with a reflection. Have not done the vertical shift of down 1. I'm going to take each one of those points that I just put on there, and I'm going to shift them down 1. I'll use little squares so that we can tell the difference. So down 1, down 1, down 1, down 1. Put the curve on. It's simply upside down because of the reflection. There it is. If I asked you to identify 5 points on this graph, if you were to make an XY table, we know when X is 0, Y was at -3. When X was pi, over pi units here, Y was -1. When X was 2 pi, Y was up to 1. When it was 3 pi, it's back down to -1. And when it's at 4 pi, it was at -3. And my midline was at -1. Right here.